Okay, let's just go ahead and get right into it, okay? I'm gonna stop. Hi, my love. So I'm back with another freaking haul time, and it's gonna be from Sephora. I'm so freaking excited to show you guys all the goodies that I picked up. And I finally got my first huge ass bag from Sephora. I didn't buy that much that day. There's actually more products in here than in here, but I got the freaking tote bag when they had that spend 50 and you have to ask for it though. That's the one thing. If you don't ask for it and if you spend 200 that day, they didn't give it to you, so you do have to ask for it. But I'm so freaking excited to show you guys what I picked up at Sephora. You guys already know I do love Sephora. I'm gonna show you guys all the goodies, and I love new recommendations. So if you guys have any recommendations for face powders or pressed powders, let me know. I'm also a very big lip girly. I actually need to put a little bit more on right now. This one right here is from Lancome, but I am using the e.l.f. ones too that are very similar to this, so the e.l.f. one is definitely the dupe for it. And let me jump right into the big bag because I want to show you guys the tote bag that they gave, and it's actually very good quality. I'm gonna start off with the tote bag. So if you spent 50 at Sephora from like a certain time, you would get this free tote bag, and it's so freaking cute. The quality is amazing. It's so freaking thick, and you actually can fit a pretty good amount of your products in here when you go shopping again at Sephora. You could just reuse this every time if you want to, or just to have it because it's so cute too. Like, I know not a lot of stuff, other stuff fits in here, but it's so cute. This one's gonna be a restock. It's the Huda Beauty Pound Cake powder. I had to restock on them because I go through these powders so freaking fast. So that's a restock. And then this one's gonna be my first time ever trying out the little Sephora collection loose powder, and I'm actually wearing it on my face today, and I do have to go to work and everything, so I hope it lasts pretty well throughout the whole day. But yeah, I wanted to try out their collection, and they do have 30% off from the Sephora collection. And then I also went ahead and picked up my first time ever trying this brand, Kerastase, I think you say it. If I don't pronounce it right, let me know. But this is the Genesis Fortifying Serum, so I'm very, very excited to try this out on my hair. This one's meant to weaken hair prone to breakage. It's good for that. And I'm just really excited to start using this on my hair because I have been trying to grow it out. It has grown out so freaking much from the last couple of times that I was on here, so I'm so excited for my hair growth journey too. And then this is the One Size Ultra Pink. This is gonna be another restock for me. I already ran out of both colors, as well as my Easy Bake from Huda Beauty. I ran out of both colors already. I had the Cherry Blossom and I had the Pound Cake one too, but I ran out of both already, and I ran out of both of my one size ones. I use the powder every single day, so it runs out so fast. My man actually ended up getting this one for me, the YSL Black Opium gift set, and it comes with the little one for my purse. I'm excited for that. If you guys want to know what's in my purse, let me freaking know and I can do it for you. And then this is the Black Opium actual bottle. I'm so excited to add this into my collection of perfumes. If you guys want a full perfume collection, let me know because I do love my perfumes. Let's get into the next bag. That was everything that was in the huge bag. This one actually has a lot more than the other one did, so let's go ahead and get into these goodies. So the first two are gonna be my little two eyebrow pencils from Benefit. I actually run through these brow pencils so freaking fast too. Like, I run out, they just disappear. Like, I just go in on my eyebrows a little too much, I guess, because they just run out so fast, and I literally have to constantly restock on those because if I don't, I'll run out fully, and then I'll be with like nude naked brows, like no brows at all. Oops, I forgot to show you guys the last one that was in the big bag. So it's gonna be the Sephora collection eyebrow pencil. I wanted to try something new, a little bit more affordable, I guess, rather than the Benefit one, just to try it out. This was 30% off as well, and it was just their retractable brow pencil in waterproof and in the shade Midnight Brown from the Sephora collection. Okay, so my camera just died, but let's go ahead and continue. So the next one that I have is going to be this one from Gisou. I'll put a picture like right here of what the actual thing looks like. It's a honey infused hair repair serum. I'm so freaking excited to try this one out too. Just for my hair. As you guys know, I'm getting into my hair care a lot more now too, so that's good. And then I also picked up, I've been wanting to try these for so freaking long now. Like, I've been meaning to pick these up for a while. This is the Glow Recipe, the mini size of the niacinamide dewdrops in watermelon. So I'm so freaking excited to try this serum out too, and it's just like a cute little watermelon. Hopefully it smells like that too. That would be so cool. And then I've been seeing a lot of girlies on TikTok with this specific one on their lips, and it's so freaking glittery, shiny, and I'm all about that. You guys already know. And my favorite color is pink, and literally the tube with the freaking gloss itself, it's pink, and it's so cute. So this is a honey infused lip oil in watermelon sugar from, once again, Gisou. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But this one is the one that I'm most excited about too. This is a little restock of the mini version of the Cherry Blossom powder by Huda Beauty. And this is just like for a backup and to carry in my purse. I went ahead and got this one from Refy. It's actually a little lip pencil if we want to put some on right now. Let's do it. It's a little lip pencil from Refy. It's like this beautiful, beautiful brown color. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's like a mocha brown. It matches my nail color. If you guys want to see my nails, here they are. But they do have like a little snowflake, and they're like a mocha brown. That's literally all I want at this time. I'm becoming more of a simple nail girly now because I think I'm growing up. So yes, we love that for us. We're like in our little soft girl era, our little elegant era, and yeah, princess queen era. I went ahead and also picked up the Summer Fridays Little Lip Balm. I do have one already of this shade, so I wanted to get another one. And then this is also a restock. It's going to be my one size concealer, and I got it in the shade Light 4. So this is just the one size concealer in this color, Light 4. So excited to try this one out again. I haven't used this concealer in a while because I ran out a while ago. And last but not least, I picked up the Patrick Ta little brush, and this is a dual-ended sculpting brush by Patrick Ta, and I just wanted to try out a new brush, so I picked it up that day, and I think it was like on sale as well. Sephora is always having different kind of sales for different brands and everything. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up. I'm excited to show you guys another one later because I actually have more stuff from Sephora, but I wanted to just do one part first, get these out of the way so I can start using everything, and then I'm gonna do another one too. And I'm also gonna film a Target haul right now for you guys as well. I hope I have enough time for that because I do have to head to work pretty soon. So yes, I'm gonna enjoy some birria tacos because it's Taco Tuesday, and then I have to head to work, you guys. So let's see if I do have enough time to do the Target one, and if I do, I will. Let me know what else you guys want to see on here because I don't know if you guys like makeup videos, get ready with me. I haven't done one in so freaking long, but if you guys want to see how I got this look, or if you guys want me to do more color or sparkly glitter, let me know because I am so freaking down. Just let me know what you guys want to see more of from me on here, because on TikTok I post every single day. Bye my loves, I love you guys so freaking much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.